So we are at the Rome and Venice station in Rome, Italy, heading to Florence for our next stop. We're going to see the Duomo, we're going to see the Piazza di Signorelli, we're going to see it all. And hope you join us for this trip. It's going to be epic. I love taking the train in Italy, and the ride from Rome to Florence is just about 2 hours, but you pass some incredible countryside, some hilltop castles. It's just amazing. And now that we're in Florence, let's take the taxi to our hotel in the middle of the city, the Hotel Berchielli, and it is located on the Arno River. We're gonna check in, go to our room, and check out this amazing view. Just stunning. We start our time in Florence heading to the most iconic site in Florence, and that's Il Duomo. This dates back to the 1200s, and that famous dome was engineered by Brunelleschi. Inside it's pretty massive, but it's all about the dome. This is the Piazza della Signoria with the Palazzo Vecchio right there. This is basically the heart of Florence where everyone gathers. It's like an open-air museum, statues everywhere you look. And next we'll head to the Accademia, where Michelangelo's David can be found. We'll make our way to the Basilica di Santa Croce. This is probably one of my favorite spots in all of Florence. You'll find the final resting places here of Machiavelli, of Michelangelo, of Galileo. It's absolutely incredible to stand there next to their tombs. And we certainly need to make a stop at the Uffizi Gallery, where we will find works by Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Botticelli, just to name a few, but it's certainly worth spending a good 2 or 3 hours here. And then we'll grab a sandwich at this sandwich shop made famous by Giada, I think. She recommended it. And the sandwiches are so good. They are massive, but it's a perfect break after museum morning. One alternative might be this porchetta sandwich shop, making the best porchetta sandwiches in the city.
Sì, fa un po' tutto. Sono qui a fare lo schizzi.
And another gelato shop, because you'll find that one just basically isn't enough.
Everyone has the same preferences, especially, and also there are different using for the extra virgin. The main difference that Frantoio respect all the other ones is when especially trust your feelings, because every nose is different. We are it's dangerous. It's dangerous.
And let's end the day with a proper Florentine dinner, and that's peachy pasta and a rare bistecca. And this is the Ponte Vecchio. It is the only bridge in Florence to survive World War II. But today it's lined with a lot of jewelry stores. But it does provide a really good view of the river. This big arch in the Piazza della Repubblica marks the old Roman Forum area in Florence. So Florence isn't just about museums. It's food, it's wine, and personally for me, the best time is just wandering the streets like this. So I will tell you that the mosquitoes here in Florence, Italy have been horrible, but we had the best 2 days here. We did so much. It was a packed 2 days, as you just saw. We saw palaces. We ate a lot of pasta, pizza, steaks. We walked the city. It is just gorgeous. But anyway, we're here at the train station now in Florence, and we're headed to our next destination, Venice. So stick around, join us for the Venice part, and we'll see you there. Hasta luego.